If you're looking for another really easy way to take some attendance or get some information about your planning room or advisory students, a good idea is to use the student or course updates. So over here where you would normally find your materials, your folders, on the left-hand side you're going to see updates. Looks like a little sticky note. So you would go ahead and post in there something like, what is your favorite extinct animal? Okay, you can post that to students. Then this is how it will show up for students right when they go into your course. They will also see it on their home page. So if you click on their home page, they can see that right there. So for them, they can click on comments. My favorite extinct animal is the Smilodon, which is a saber-toothed cat. So they would post that. So when you go into your course, you are then going to be able to check updates, and you will see any students who have replied to your post.